How to see blocked phone numbers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. Within the Phone Settings, you can manage features like call blocking, call forwarding, and voicemail options. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, scroll down to the end and go to Blocked Contacts. You can view all your blocked contacts over here. You can also unblock the contacts from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily see blocked phone numbers on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.